This is the only reason why I quit my VidIQ account. So this is the GPT list hunter. When you move to auto SEO, it takes you to auto SEO where you can run all your SEO automatically. It goes into your WordPress and fix all your SEO issues, but that is not the video for today. Today's video is about YouTube. So the YouTube hack, when you move to SEO search, inside we have the silo planner. Keyword research, people also ask, here's the YouTube hack. Go to the YouTube hack. Now let's see inside the YouTube hack. Let's say I want to start my video. I want to post a video, or I create my video, or I'm planning on ideas to create one. So let's say it's going to be SEO experts. As an example, I'm going to click on hack YouTube. So let's see what's going to happen. The topic of the video I want to do is SEO experts. So now I have so many options from people who are killing it using SEO. So here we have so many videos. The tool is pulling live from YouTube. This is exactly what VidIQ is also doing. And here down here we have YouTube ideas. So these are all the ideas that I can use for my YouTube if I want to focus, or if I want to create my video using this idea. So stop paying for tools. This is the savior. Now here, let's see what we have. What is SEO optimization? What is SEO marketing? SEO on-page course? SEO quick guide? What does SEO specialist do? SEO for company website? What is SEO basic? Thousands of ideas. So I don't know what to choose or which one to choose. So let's say I like SEO website optimization tips. So what I have to do is just click on it. If I click on it, it's going to work on it and give me more options. Now it gives me video opportunity 25, median views 145,000, ranking videos 17, keyword ideas 3, top video average 2 to 3 years. All right, so let's say I want to pick this idea. All right, so what I have to do next is very simple. Generate my title, my host, my tags, and more. So I just click on it. Now it's going to give me everything that I need to set up my video. I don't have to go to any AI to, if you go to AI, you are going to be going with the AI, here and there before you even finish. So now I click on it. I have my option. Titles. SEO website optimization tips. Rank number 1 on Google fast. This is title number 1. Number 2, 7 SEO website optimization tips to explode your traffic. Wow. Number 3, why your site isn't ranking. SEO optimization tips. Number 4, SEO website optimization tips from 0 to 100K a month. Stop ignoring these SEO website optimization tips. And also we have master SEO website optimization tips in 10 minutes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 titles. So what you can do is just click on one and it says copied. That's it. You can put it on your title, on your YouTube title. And the next one we have is opening hooks. It gives you the hook. So what does the hook say? Most websites fail because they ignore these 3 SEO website optimization tips. Here is how to fix them today. And the second one, want more traffic without paying for ads? I'm breaking down the exact SEO website optimization tips I use to rank number 1. Wow. Stop guessing why your site isn't ranking. These SEO website optimization tips will change your Google game forever. So these are opening hooks. You have 1, 2, 3 hooks. And the thumbnail text. Rank number 1 fast. SEO secret sauce. Fix your SEO. Very short thumbnails, and there are so many research that shows short thumbnails tend to rank better. Okay, so even if you look online, look at these thumbnails. What is SEO? Rank number 1. SEO developers, these are killing it with short thumbnails. Look, novice, pro. All right, so let's see descriptions. We have descriptions. When I click on copy descriptions, copy. It's going to copy the entire description for you. These are website optimization tips. These SEO website optimization tips are exactly what you need to finally start ranking on page 1 of Google and drive consistent organic traffic to your site. We have the complete description here. So this gives you everything. Before I move down, here we have the tags. It gives you the tags. So all you have to do is just click copy all and paste it. So let's say you create your YouTube video. You uploaded your video, so now you have to make the settings. Here you have everything that you need. You have your title, you have your hooks, you have your thumbnail, you have your tags, you have your description, and it takes you down here, best time to post. It gives you also tips, the best time to post. So once you generate this, you have everything that you need to post your video. You don't need a subscription for VidIQ or whatever it is you are subscribing to use your YouTube to keep on uploading your YouTube videos. This tool gives you everything that you need. So that is why we call it the YouTube hack. Okay, so and down here we also have YouTube optimizer. If I click on it, let's use the same keyword, SEO expert. So here, this is the YouTube optimizer. This is different. So let me use the run everything. Let me write it here, SEO expert. Okay, I'm using the same keyword, run everything. So let's see what's going to happen by the run everything. Here it says searching. When you click on run everything, it's going to be searching here. So let's give it a while. Wow. So now take a look at the ideas that we have. 92 real YouTube suggestions sorted by opportunity. YouTube auto suggest. So it picks from YouTube for you and gives you everything. It makes your work very, very easy. Easy. Now you have what is SEO specialist do. What is SEO audit? Is SEO a good career? Do SEO of websites? And here we have search engine optimization keywords, SEO expert salary in Dubai. It gives you so many ideas. And the next one is Video Explorer. It's going to search automatically and give you the ranking videos, so you can take a look at their titles and how they are killing it. All right. And then the next one, content planner. When you click on it, it's going to search and give you content planner. So if this is your focus video that you want to do for the entire month, example, it will give you the content planner, and very soon it's going to show you how it looks like. And you can follow the content planner to start posting your videos based on the content planner, and you're going to be killing it. And here we have Monday, Wednesday, Friday, AI powered SEO workflow. Okay, so 30-day calendar. Week 1, the only SEO strategy you need in 2024. We are in 2026, so you can just change it. And here we have the hook. 90% of SEO advice from 2 years ago will get your site penalized today. Here is the new play hook. Here is the new playbook. So it gives you week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. Complete content planner. This is crazy. And now let's go to the title and ideas. When you click on it, it's going to give you everything you need to start posting your videos. Writing, picking up from YouTube and all the channels, gathering everything that we need to start posting. So if you have this is a desktop application. Let me be honest with you. This is a desktop application that everybody can download and have it on their desktop. And the AI that we are using is crazy. Local AI on your computer. So you are not paying for AI, you are not paying for API. There are also so many options for you to use Gemini, to use Cloud, to use ChatGPT. I'll show you in my other video how to use this tool. These are all the functions of GPT List Hunter. So here we have what SEO experts do, but never tell you, very high click-through rates. It's curiosity, it shows you. And the thumbnail, they are hiding this. Create an information gap by suggesting inside secrets that the pros keep for themselves. These are the title ideas. Look, if you use these titles, you are going to blow it. It gives you titles that are killing it. So you don't have to worry about spending so much money. Just stick to this. I used to use so many AI when I'm posting my YouTube videos, but now since I start using GPT Lead Center, this is the entire marketing tool that I'm using. I'm using this tool for everything that I do now. 7 SEO strategies to dominate search in 2026. High CTR. How to rank number 1 on Google step by step for 2024. You make it 2026. From 0 to 100K visitors. My exact SEO roadmap. So this is what you are going to use to start posting. Just save it, start posting. You are good to go. Done. Now let's go to description and tags. It's going to give us our descriptions and tags. Just copy it, paste it in your video, start ranking. That is it. You are good to go. No more paying money. If you want something very okay, let's go. Description. Want to know what the top 1% of SEO experts actually do to rank number one in this video? Blah blah blah. It gives you your complete description, and it gives you your tags, and also gives you additional alternative titles and the pinned comment. After you post your video, you can pin a comment. Now let's see hooks and script. It gives you the hook. Once you click on it, it gives you the hook and gives you the script. This is all you need. No more spending so much money. This lives on your PC. This is a desktop software. It's going to live on your PC. So we have your script complete. So if you are interested, you just use it, and the channel audit is going to give you the tips how to go about it. So if you are using VidIQ or any YouTube channel for paid subscription, you can cancel it. This is the savior. Use this tool and complete everything that you do. All right, so here we have to fix something in the background. So if you like this video and if you are interested in this video, consider subscribing. Let me go back to SEO and back to YouTube hack. Okay, so see you in the next video. This software is going to be live. So much to talk about, so many features: local SEO, local map audit, Google My Business audit, backlink instant indexer. I'm not going to talk about them. I'm just reading them to show you what this tool can do. Keyword research, silo planner. So see you in the next video. Have a great day.